Ska man bygga den här då?
Ja,
Bygga den nu?
bygga, montera, install.
Bygga nu?
Ja. Excuse me. Excuse me.
What is it?
You don't understand excuse me?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Oh, I need socks. I need scissor. Can you bring?
No.
Maybe not. No, don't bring. It's not needed. So guys, let's open this compost.
Compost.
This I buy yesterday in Beltima here in Sweden.
No!
Beltima, we was in Beltima.
But wait. On
Beltima is there you can buy everything. Not everything.
you must. You have set this on Fågelfors. Beltima.
Fågelfors.
Beltima.
In Beltima, yeah.
Fågelfors. Beltima. Det var Mattias.
And this is compost bin because I am planning to start gardening not next year. I will start it now. I will try to plant vegetables in autumn to winter time. We will see if it will work or not, but I will experiment it, and so that's why I buy this compost bin so I can do compost for my garden, to have organic. No need to buy soil from stores which have chemical soil. So that's why that is the purpose.